Hey everyone, my name is Helen Schmidt, and I'm a graduate student in the Social and Affective Neuroscience Lab here at Temple University. The focus of this workshop will be on machine learning, what it is, how to use it in R, and why it's a useful tool for data analysis. To get us started, let's first talk about what machine learning is. Broadly speaking, machine learning is the process of teaching machines to learn information. These machines can be computers or entire computing systems, or they can be simpler, something like an algorithm or a model. Machine learning to date has been widely used in computer science, data science, and neuroscience, and researchers with a psychology background are beginning to adopt this approach for a more data-driven analysis. Machine learning involves training a machine to learn about information and make predictions or classifications based on that learning. It's a subset of artificial intelligence and has grown in popularity alongside the recent AI boom that we've seen in the last year or so, as of the time of recording this video. While artificial intelligence describes the general development of computers that can mimic cognitive function, machine learning is more specific, using algorithms and large amounts of data to make informed decisions for specific tasks. Machine learning has become a popular tool for researchers in psychology and neuroscience thanks to huge increases in computing power and access to datasets with thousands or millions of observations. Psychologists have seen great success recently in applying machine learning methods to gather insights about human behavior and cognition. Machine learning models can not only reduce time, effort, and human error costs, but they can also be applied flexibly across projects and data sets, including behavioral, survey, and neuroimaging data. The goal of this workshop tutorial is to introduce a variety of machine learning methods that can be applied to psychological data. We will examine the differences between unsupervised and supervised machine learning models and talk about the context to which they're best applied. This tutorial will also touch on model evaluation and comparison and unpack how to determine certain model parameters given your data. An important note here is that this tutorial is by no means meant to be an exhaustive list of machine learning approaches. Rather, it's meant to serve as some introductory examples and methods that can be employed specifically in the R programming language. If you're interested in more complex machine learning approaches, a majority of these are actually supported in Python using libraries like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Keras. These are more commonly what you might see in a machine learning tutorial online, but I hope this R-focused workshop serves as a complement to these other methods. Like I said, this tutorial is intended to be an introduction to machine learning with R, but you should have some existing familiarity with scripting and with R specifically before starting this tutorial. To wrap up this introduction video, I'm going to briefly outline the format of this tutorial. We will start off by exploring an example dataset and getting familiar with its variables. Then we'll introduce supervised machine learning methods and highlight two examples, k-nearest neighbors and classification trees. After that, we'll introduce unsupervised machine learning methods and highlight two other examples, k-means clustering and principal components analysis. For each method we introduce, there will be an interactive question for you to try out for yourself.